Hello there, Sarah here. And so I went and I bought this Wicked kit from Office Max, and then I went to Five Below and I saw these ones, and of course I didn't realize I think they're the same thing, just two separate boxes in one box with both. So I'm going to open them up and compare and see if they are really the same. I'm also going to make them. I'm going to make 3 different videos. So this video, the first one, I'm going to open them up, compare them, and then kind of compare the final creation at the end. And if you want to go more into details of each one, so I will do a Glenda one and an Alphabet one. So go check those out as well if you want to see more detailed in depth of the creation of them. So this one, I'm going to open them up, see if there's any difference, and then I'll show you the final results at the end of this video. And if you enjoy crocheting, buying crochet kits, maybe you want to learn, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So I've got plenty of other things. Maybe leave a comment suggesting something you want to see me try. So like this video. Thanks. All right, I'm open the big one first. All right, so we got some black yarn. I believe that might be for Elsa, and pink yarn for Glenda. And then we got this package, some stuffing. All right. Looks like I got all my yarn here. I'm gonna organize these. So in here. Let's make it smart. Okay, so I laid out everything I got. So I got some black yarn, some pink yarn, and this is like a yellowish yarn, and some is brownish color, some green, one crochet hook, some of this yarn, some of that, some embroidery thread, and I've got some eyes and a needle. Now I'm going to open this one up. Okay, looks like the same pink yarn. Let's compare. Okay, so this is the Five Below one. Okay, we got this one. And you can't tell too much on camera, but I think they're slightly different colors, and it has a different feel to them. So I think this pink is just more puffed off because it has that around it. It does seem like this is more, but I think they're the same. But this one, the Office Depot one, is softer, and this one is actually softer than that one. But pretty much the same. We got this one. So what's nice is this is already balled up. This one's just in a skein. So I do have to ball this one up. Otherwise it'll get tangled. And they do have a slightly different color to them. And of course it's smaller because it's only one. Okay. Hook, air yarn, a little brown yarn and some embroidery thread. Just slightly different in color. Yep, just a slightly different color. So that one there. These ones. Same hooks. I'm gonna leave these in here so I don't lose them. But, all right, overall, pretty much the same. Let's look over the instructions. So, so both have this crochet terms. Looks pretty much the same. I mean, that says 2-pack. Same crochet abbreviations as I got with all these kits that I've got in the past. So I'm going to say this page is the same. Now the Office Max got a little wrinkled, I think because they shoved more in a bigger box, or well, there's more shoved in the box. And so we'll just look at that front. Make to start with pink. And that pretty much looks the same. So, in conclusion, I think we've got the same patterns. All right, so I'm going to box up the Five Below Glenda. Let's open up this. Okay, that's my cotton. And the green. Oh, this green looks brighter. Look at that, just slightly brighter. Got more of this. Hold on. Okay, so that kit came with 2 of these. And black. It's not black and this black. This seems like it's actually more. But this feels a little more condensed, so it might be the same. Okay. So I've got more embroidery thread. And then of course the same crochet hook. Came with this abbreviation sheet, same thing as always. Now, all right, looking at the instructions, they are the same exact thing. All right, so let's put them back where they belong. Oopsie. Okay, so I'm going to show you the finished product in a moment. So I'm going to swipe to the future. So if you want to see each individual one, I will have 2 separate videos for each one. So in these kits, a lot of times the yarn will come like this. And so if you don't have a yarn swift, because it does tangle very easily, you're going to want to ball it up. So I'm going to find this knot here. Okay, so just cut that knot. Now, it's very easy to tangle. So you could get a friend, or Just put it on a back of a chair like this, and you're just going to take your yarn and kind of ball it as you go. So I take the yarn in my fingers, so start balling it, and then eventually take it off. Go like this. Okay, and just pull the yarn off. I just can't hold the camera do this at the same time. I just pull the yarn off of the chair like this, because if you lay it flat, it's just going to tangle. For Glenda, I'm going to say this is the pink, this is the skin tone, and this is the hair. Alright, so I finished both my kits. Here is, let's start with the Five Below. So here's my Five Below Glenda. How cute. And then my Five Below Elsa. Look how cute. And so one thing when I noticed when I made this, the directions were exactly the same for both kits, but her skirt, I thought it was a little low when I followed the directions. So when I made the other one, okay, so I added her eyebrows on. And so with the faces, so her eyes are farther apart, which I think I actually kind of like that better. And this one, I put them a little closer together. And then this one, I ended up gluing the eyes, and that's why they look a little bit buggy. But essentially, both kits are kind of the same. They did turn out with a different look. And so they got the skirt the way the pattern says it, and the skirt the way I wanted to do it. And so these are my Glendas. There's a little bit of variation in the hair color, but I think both kits are pretty much the same. Just got two. You came with two, and it came with one. You buy them separately. And then let's take a look at my Elsa bus. So I did run out of black yarn. So first I made the Five Below one, and I had to grab extra yarn for her arms. And then the Office Max one had even less yarn. And so I ran out of, well, I did the arms first, thinking, oh, if I ran out of yarn, I definitely wanted to have arms and then maybe make a shorter skirt. So I ran out of yarn, and I had the whole skirt had to use up my own yarn. But if you run out of yarn, I do the skirt last, because she could be in pants too, right? Or you could just get your own yarn and finish up her pants. Also, I didn't put enough stuffing in her. I used what they gave me. And so Five Below came with more stuffing. This one came in a 2-pack. I just split the yarn in half. And so I didn't have enough yarn for her. I mean, not enough yarn, enough cotton, enough stuffing the polyfill. And so if you have extra polyfill, definitely make sure you get her head nice and stuffed with polyfill. Otherwise, she got a little bit of a wobblier head, and then we got the more steadier head. Her head turned out bigger for me. Maybe I accidentally added more rows or something. This one had less of the green yarn. So see her head? Yeah, see, a little more stable. And then I added her hat a little bit closer to her than what I did here. And so this one, she's got her hat. She's wearing a little bit more back more. This one a little more forward. So you see her hat. And then there. So these are the Elsa bus. And let's take a look at them all together. And so Five Below, the Glenda and the Elsa. Super cute, right? Hi. Okay, hi. And then the Office Max. We got my Elsa and my Glenda. She was out partying, so her hair is a little wild. But here are they, and they're going to wave hi to you. Hi. Got her here. Okay, and so I'll have both of these videos out too. And if you want to follow along with me in them, and I'll show you how to crochet. I do recommend, if you have both, work on her first, because black yarn is a little more tricky to work with because it's just harder to see the stitches. So you might want a good light source. Definitely make sure you have some stitch markers. And so if you know how to make her first, then she'll be easier to make if you make her first, okay? So be sure to subscribe because I have Nightmare Before Christmas coming up. I'm going to get them as soon as I can. And then I also have the Grinch. So you're going to want to check those ones out too. And you can crochet along with me while I make these. And if you still have any of the Halloween ones, I have those ones up right now on my channel. So thank you, and like this video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions on anything as you make yours. All right.